Hello TV. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all can hear me. I think y'all can. I don't know. I'm trying a little different approach. I'm finna vlog with my GoPro on my head. And we got SwingitATL on the Mustang tip. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna put a Wicker bill on this guy. I can't find my fucking blade for nothing. But this nigga got one. I know it do. We're gonna get the shit open. Think so?
I know it's a Harbor Freight over here though. I ain't sure. I can drive one.
But the Harbor Freight, we ain't goddamn Fayetteville, which ain't far, but
I'm saying it ain't one over here.
nah, the one it's either in Fayetteville or McDonald. Oh, but I mean Fayetteville ain't that far from me. Bro, you got your blade, bro? I cannot find mine. I gotta buy another one. I definitely gotta buy another one. Where you get yours from?
What, that night?
Yeah.
I think I got that from Walmart.
I know I need another one. Cause I don't know what the fuck mine went.
Little Smith & Wesson was.
It's a double arc. I'm gonna slam my door.
Yeah, them that's the same brand I got. Same brand.
Where?
Yeah.
I guess
I
it's...
just ain't got the clear one before.
Yeah, I wanted the clear thing. I wish I was looking. I was trying to hope that the bitch came in black. The clear piece came black, but I mean, I ain't tripping.
Might have a little tint to it.
How you drop yours?
I don't deal with this wide body Scat. You just push it to the side.
Oh, you got that one. I pushed it to the side.
Right now.
Oh,
Push it to the side. This wide body Scat, I'm trying to race me on the way there.
shit! Oh damn, hold on. I still got one more side. I blew an SS out last night.
For real?
Yeah. I'm coming down 285. He in the far right lane, but I'm in the far left lane. I'm chilling though. This nigga wanna. I'm like, all right, bro. Look at this nigga, bro. Why'd I get around the car? So I got around the car, right? We got in the tunnel on 285. Hit that shit. Like it was like some unofficial shit where like we both like, I don't know why, but we hit it at the same time. Dusted this shit.
That one thing I will say about them Scats, dog.
He was on my back bumper though, but
Got that low end, dog.
I'm gonna let you know the only reason why he was on my back though is because it was a car in front of me. So I kind of like, I'm looking at the car. I came off, looked my rear view, jumped in front of him, and took off. I'm like, but Holmes ain't have it.
They did a damn good job, though.
Let me say that bit one more time.
Color match on point.
I said the same thing. Yeah, of course, y'all know I got the fucking car back. Everything look good. It's just we peeping one problem. I gotta call them folk, see what they talking about. Hopefully they'll be able to fix it. Cause I don't know how they missed that. Cause I know we all missed that shit. And what I thought they're gonna get a whole new bumper. That's the same bumper.
This one?
Nah. Well, that one too, yeah, because I still got the little sticker on there. Unless they bought a new sticker, but without doubt that. To put it in the same spot, that's the same bumper, bro.
Nah.
You don't think so?
Hell no.
So they just went and bought.
You know what it is though? This piece right here,
Come off probably.
it's separate. I'm looking at it.
Oh,
It's separate.
okay, so I ain't never noticed that shit.
Yeah, that piece clip on.
Oh, that was. Oh, so they just took the black part
all
off.
them tabs, yeah, all them tabs is broke. You can look at it though. If you look real good, if you look right here, you can see how it's on top of the white.
Oh, fact, you
See what I'm
right.
saying? Like this, it come off somehow.
Oh, that part wasn't messed up.
Yeah.
So also, yeah, they just took it off, man. Okay, so yeah.
Nah, ain't no way that's the same bumper though. Ain't no way.
Cause that bitch was demolished.
Done.
I'm gonna throw a pic of it in the comments or on the video.
Oh, I look in first house.
Hey, yeah. That shit was crazy.
White.
What? And you know, I seen
blue.
the reflective thing for it. I just ain't buy it cause I thought about it. I was like, man, should I? I was like, but I might, cause it'll make it look a little hard up front. I ain't gonna lie.
Either the blue, cause I mean, if you do the blue, it'll tie in with this blue and the brake.
But I feel like that white to make it better.
Yeah, the white
gonna make it better. Yeah. So I'm gonna see if I can find a white one. Cause I was thinking about it. I seen it a minute ago. When I bought that, I could have bought them at the same time. I was just like, nah, I really don't want it right now. Because I know some dudes put color, but I ain't gonna do all that color. I just keep the reflector. Yeah, I got my dash cam going.
So what is wired up to?
The volt thing, the 12 volt thing, yeah. Cause all the hard wiring, when I went to go, so when I looked on YouTube, I clicked the link. For some reason, the hardwire kit ain't pop up, but I ain't bothered to go on Google and just look for it. I just goddamn said, fuck it, I got it ran. I'm sorry, how I got, I ain't make a video on that shit, so I was like, fuck it. I got it ran, tucked in here, tape down here and shit, tape coming off already. This side cool, got it all tucked in here. And shit, it clean to me. So I ain't even tripping too much.
That's gonna get.
That's what I said, the same thing.
You probably could have went behind this though, if you wanted to.
Yeah, take the water stripping off.
Nah, you ain't gotta take it off. You
well, yeah, not all there, move it, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'll probably go back in.
So, how do it save the media? Like,
so,
what is it saving to?
On impact, of course, with the G-Force, it'll save automatically. I got a SD card. You need an SD card.
Okay, yeah, all right. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to figure out, like, because I know you're going to clear it out at some point.
Yeah. Well, no, it actually don't save unless you choose to save it. It records in 3 and 5 minute increments. So, but it don't save unless you wanted to. You hit the top button and damn, I love my window down like that. Tripping. It'll start saying saving event. So the whole, I got mine set to 5 minute increments. So if I hit save event, it's gonna say the next 5 minutes. But it's gonna run 5 minutes and then just reset. But anything it feel on the G-Force side, you know, the impact is gonna automatically save. Which is cool with me. But my thing is, I need a computer to, when I save the shit, that's what I'm looking for. I need a computer, so for when I do want to save the shit. Cause I saved it to test it, now they gotta put it in the converter, the car converter, and put it in the computer and download it. I'm gonna try it though. So to go straight in?
Yeah. Not full speed though.
Yeah,
I'll show you how to do it first.
Tapping and shit.
Yeah, cause I don't want you to get
shoot that bit through and I'm mad at here.
I be trying to make sure that shit right. Drill, boy.
You gonna nervous, nigga.
Let me do it, man. I don't want you to fuck that bitch up. He's like, man, my Wicker bill fucked up, man. Jock don't fuck my Wicker bill up.
Yeah, nah, I know I did that one.
I'm like, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Got too many options. Might catch a hoe by the toe. She know that I'm pop. Tryna book for a show. You gon' need a deposit. Won't bend, won't fold. Cause a nigga too solid. If you count me out, you countin' wrong, recount it. A nigga too solid. Wheels up, about to take flight, can't ground it. A nigga too solid. First class from a bus pass, Greyhound. A nigga too solid. Pressure on me, but I'm unmoved, how I'm sounding. A nigga too solid. I got more drip than the faucet. These niggas too sweet, come on out of the closet, yeah. Running with numbers, some bosses. Wipe your nose, I ain't talking Charmin, yeah. Remember them plays on the target, huh? I got that money regardless, yeah. Well, eating good, but I was starving, huh? Go get it on like I'm Marvin. If it ain't profit, it ain't me. Might fuck with my girl till she can't breathe. Yeah, I fuck with the sharks, can't tank me. No.
Shit, I got it.
That bitch hard, nigga.
Facts.
You thought that bitch was clear?
Yeah, bro, cause when the picture, it was clear. And then it didn't give me like no option or nothing like that. Oh, fucking ding.
No.
They fucked me up.
No.
They fucked me up. Oh, y'all gave me one with a defect. No, y'all didn't. That's paper.
Yeah, they did.
How they gave me one with a defect?
Why you gotta take a picture of that bitch? Send it to them. But did what you do though. See, to see it that way, what I would do is I would get some kind of sticker decal, like you know most people got like they shit going across it or something. I put something across that bitch, unless it really just ain't gonna bother you that much.
It probably ain't, but
what you gotta think, no, it ain't gonna be sitting on the black.
Nah, it's not. Oh, they fucked me up, Jack. It was that last piece of glass, and they had already had that big cut, and they're like, man, Holmes ain't gonna notice. Shit, me. That's the first thing I seen when I pulled it back.
Oh, God.
A lot of motherfuckers better thank me. They chillin' with me like the AC, cause they know I'm the coolest. They ain't doing what we doing, made solid, been a unit. Go get it, been a movement.
Too solid, too real, too strong, too trill. 10 band for a feature. Dodge crawling, I'm a creeper. Back working with my beeper. FaceTime, that's the plug calling. Hit the mall, bring the bags out. Got some Zoe with me with the flags out. Hit the vibe till she pass out. A lot of smoke, got the mask out. Money geeking, got my cash up. Cash out, steady ringing off.
All right.
Nigga fancy out this.
Final piece, man. Time to button them down. And that's it. I'll call that one a wrap. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that bit look reflective as hell, bro. That shit like a whole mirror, bro. That shit fire as fuck. Oh, cow. Just wait till I get my front splitter, bro. Now that's gonna be easy. It's already pre-drilled. All you gotta do is take off the front, what the video said. The front, I guess, little guard on the bottom, splash guard on the bottom. And then I got the one on the rod, so it's like some screws. I don't know, I think it's supposed to come with all that, but I don't know. After that front splitter, and I'm getting the wheels on the way. The wheels on the way, then after the front splitter, that's it. And it's sitting to the wrap. Till I get this wrap. Yeah, but I don't know when it's gonna be. Probably like sometime next year, end of the year. Probably next year, more likely. They gotta find somebody to do it. I'm sure we're gonna lock that down. Them shit's crazy. And it's a good, I forgot who I got it from. I'm gonna let y'all know who I got it from. Cause PS Design. Follow them on Instagram at PS Design _ LLC. I appreciate y'all. I will be tagging y'all on Instagram. But yes, sir. That bitch is complete. Mr. Swing It, his goddamn self coming in clutch. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous as hell. I would've fucked up.
That nigga couldn't even put the bird hole in it.
Yeah, I was nervous. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna count to you. I was nervous as hell. Nervous. But that bit hard. I'm gonna end that one right there, man. Philo TV. We in and out. No burger. I guess people like when I said that shit was funny as hell. I ain't gonna cap. I died when I cut the video off. But yeah.
You said no burger.
In and out, no burger. That's all.